Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business and ESS BIZTOOls. I'm sending this video to various organisations that we have contacted to invite you to be an affiliate of ESS Small Business as part of our presentation of the Corporate Governance Network to companies, primarily small companies and medium-sized companies, and organisations, charities, not-for-profits, sporting and social organisations throughout Australia. We are hopeful that your organisation will accept our invitation to be an affiliate and earn 25% of any subscriptions received by us from your members and associates who have transacted via the landing page that we are making available to our affiliates. I know the difficulty that organisations have in raising capital because I've been involved very closely in soccer administration and in various other organisations. We look forward to being able to develop a working relationship with your organisation. If you have any questions on any aspect of our proposal, we would like to hear from you. We are attaching a link to the recording of the first webinar in the Corporate Governance series, which we have also forwarded to you separately. But we're enclosing this one here with the request that you make that available to your members and associates so they can gain a first-hand impression of the type of material that we are going to present, which is targeted at SME companies and organisations. Also enclosed is our updated affiliate kit, which includes the landing page and the email that we suggest you send to your membership and associates, and a graphic which, if you wish, you could utilise on your website. We're quite happy for each of these items to be edited to suit the requirements of your organisation and your membership. Obviously, there's some key data that has to be included relative to links from the email back to the landing page and from the landing page back to our website so that we are able to track the subscribers we've received from members or associates who have registered via the landing page, which would be on your organisation's website. We guarantee to you that we will pay your fee for the introduction by the 14th day of the following month. We will request that you forward to us a tax invoice if you are registered for GST, if not a normal invoice, and we will then make payment. We are happy to make payment direct into your organisation's bank account, or we will send you a cheque if that is what you prefer. If you require any further information relative to the Corporate Governance Network and in particular to our invitation to your organisation to be an affiliate of ESS Small Business, please don't hesitate to contact me. Full details of our proposal is available on the ESS Small Business website, www.esssmallbusiness.com.au. If you have questions, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, or telephone 1800 232 088. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.